Welcome back to Buy Smart. In today's video, we'll be comparing two powerful robot vacuum cleaners, the Roborock Q5 Plus and the Roborock Q7 Max Plus. These two models are packed with advanced features that will make cleaning your home a breeze. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The Roborock Q5 Plus is priced at $699, while the Roborock Q7 Max Plus comes in at $869. So the Q5 Plus is a bit more budget-friendly compared to the Q7 Max Plus. Both models offer hands-free cleaning with their auto-empty docks, which can store up to 7 weeks of dirt. The Q5 Plus features a self-empty dock, while the Q7 Max Plus comes with an auto-empty dock Pure. They both take care of emptying the dustbin for you, so you don't have to do it manually or frequently. When it comes to suction power, the Q5 Plus offers a powerful 2,700 pascal suction, which easily lifts debris and pet hair from floors and deep inside carpets. On the other hand, the Q7 Max Plus takes it up a notch with an incredible maximum suction power of 4,200 pascals. It not only lifts debris and pet hair but also drags it from cracks and draws it from carpets. Both models feature advanced cleaning modes. The Q5 Plus utilizes PreciSense lidar navigation, which creates precise maps of your home and allows you to view them in 3D. You can even add furniture and floor materials to recreate your home virtually. The Q7 Max Plus also boasts PreciSense lidar navigation, along with the ability to unlock a wide range of smart cleaning functions. In terms of brush systems, the Q5 Plus comes with a multi-plane floating main brush that keeps the brush closer to the ground for deeper cleaning, even on uneven surfaces. It is also resistant to hair tangles, making it perfect for homes with pets. The Q7 Max Plus features an upgraded brush system with an all-rubber brush that strongly resists hair tangles. It has 4 planes of movement and stays close to the floor for more effective cleaning on uneven surfaces. When it comes to battery life, the Q5 Plus offers long-lasting cleaning with its high-capacity battery, providing enough power for a single cleaning session in most homes. The Q7 Max Plus, on the other hand, boasts a super-sized battery that can power the robot for up to 180 minutes of runtime or cover a maximum vacuuming range of 3,229 SQFT. Based on online reviews, customers have provided overall positive feedback for both the Roborock Q5 Plus and the Roborock Q7 Max Plus. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the Roborock Q5 Plus and the Roborock Q7 Max Plus. Both models offer impressive features and performance, but the choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for more information on these products. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Buy Smart.